Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And what has happened is I found this bird. I feel very bad for it. My bird has passed away. And please subscribe, like, and turn the notification bell on, just so there's a little chance of my birdie coming back alive. And if it does, it's all thanks to you and whoever comments the best one, whoever comments the best comment might win this bird if it comes back alive. And I want to show you the picture of it. Now here it is. There. That's my bird. That's my bird. He got dehydrated. And I really hope it comes back alive. Keep it in your mind. And wherever you go, please do not forget him. Because if he doesn't come alive, he's gonna get buried. So the amount I need for him to get back alive is around 1,000 likes, and also over around 3,000 subs, and I will be giving away this bird for whoever put the best comment in if it comes alive. And this is my bird. Yeah. There. It's dead. We let it fly away into the velodrome, and it got swooped by a big magpie and it died. And also it got dehydrated. It's really soft. And please pray for it to come back alive. Thanks for watching. Bye.